In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the count of your Salesforce licenses. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you can easily track your licenses and manage them effectively. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or new to the platform, these tips will help streamline your process. Let's jump right in by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which acts as your gateway to various settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon and you'll see a menu drop down. From this menu, you'll want to select the Setup option. Choosing Setup will redirect you to a new page where you can adjust most of your administrative settings. On this new Setup page, you'll want to pay attention to the Quick Find box. This handy tool is designed to help you locate specific settings or options without any hassle. Type company information into the Quick Find box and, as soon as the result appears, click on it. You'll be taken to a page providing an overview of your company's vital details. Scroll down through this company information page until you reach the User Licenses section. Now, in the User Licenses section, you'll discover a wealth of useful information. Here, you'll be able to identify several key aspects of your licenses. The first thing you'll notice is the license type. This might include options such as Salesforce, Platform, or Chatter licenses, among others. Understanding these categories can help clarify what kind of licenses you have access to, and, ultimately, what your organization might need. Next to the license type, you'll see the total licenses number. This figure is crucial as it represents the total number of licenses your organization has purchased. Keeping track of this is important for maintaining an effective operational capacity. Beside this number, you'll find the used licenses count, which tells you how many of those licenses are actively in use. Monitoring this helps you understand your current usage scenario. Adjacent to the used licenses, you'll spot the count of remaining licenses. This figure signifies how many licenses you have left available for new users. Keeping an eye on this number is essential to avoid running out unexpectedly. In addition, take note of the expiration date for each license type. This crucial information indicates when your licenses are due to expire, allowing you to plan ahead and maintain uninterrupted access to Salesforce services. If you notice that you're running low on licenses and anticipate the need for more, there are a couple of paths you can take. Firstly, consider reaching out directly to your Salesforce account executive. They can assist in guiding you through the process of purchasing additional licenses. Alternatively, you can explore the Help and Training portal in Salesforce, where you can open a support case. This action will connect you with a sales contact who can provide assistance in acquiring more licenses. By following these meticulous steps, you can efficiently track and manage your Salesforce licenses, ensuring that your team has all the necessary resources it needs to operate smoothly.